Hello everyone, today is August 8th. It is Tuesday, 7:26 a.m. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Wars. Today, in this space, I'm going to give a little bit of a Bitcoin Cash analysis along with, I'm going to talk about Vertcoin, Steem. I'm also going to talk about a coin called Safe Exchange that my brother, shout out to Danon, who actually brought my attention to. He's getting into cryptocurrency and I'm really happy he is. It helps me as an analysis to have a little bit more eyes on all these coins and things like that. So, to get started with Bitcoin Cash, I'm going to give a little price analysis with it. I actually sold my Bitcoin Cash on the high, right in between like 370. I started dumping it at like 350, even a little bit earlier, and at 400. It's not that Bitcoin Cash is in a bad speculation anymore, but it's not as good as it was at 200. I think a lot of people still have coins that they could sell, and a lot of people are going to get coins that they can sell. I think it very well could keep going up, but I think the risk of downside to upside, it's a little risky. I saw that it was going to pump, and I wanted to buy in, so that's why I did. Now that it did pump, I was happy to take my profits and move back into my other coins and get them cheaper, so I'm pretty happy I did that. That was just more of a trade move, not so much an investment. And, when coins are this volatile, it's not that you can't invest in them, but, once it went up, I was ready to get out. It could go all the way to 700. I'm not saying that, or 800, even higher, 1200, whatever. But you know what? I have other coins that I think could outperform it. Now that they've been down, they retrace. My altcoins retraced. Who knows? Maybe the altcoins will keep going down, and maybe Bitcoin Cash will keep going up. But the coins I'm in for the long run because I see, like for example, let me just move the Bitcoin Cash discussion right into something like Vertcoin, okay? See, Bitcoin Cash, although it does have a lot of, I've talked in past videos, it has some good, aspects to it, like bigger block sizes, scalability, things like that, and that's what gives it value, okay? But also, it is also ran by a single mining pool, which makes it extremely centralized in the sense that one mining pool basically controls all of the consensus for Bitcoin Cash. Say they want to make a change to Bitcoin Cash, they control it. They basically, own it. Although on their website it says that Bitcoin Cash is more decentralized because it has multiple development teams rather than just one, which I can see that. And also, one thing to consider, I'm not an absolute. I've been studying cryptocurrency for a long time, but I don't consider myself the most absolute expert on it in technicalities. I just do my best to put it in layman's terms for people because I'm a layman's term person. But so, anyway, so these ASICs. So Vertcoin, for example, is ASIC resistant. Okay, so basically anyone with a CPU or GPU can mine it. So anyone can mine Vertcoin. Not anyone can mine Bitcoins or even Bitcoin Cash in time, because it will just be, it's too competitive. You're going against ASIC boards, you need serious equipment in order to do it. And it makes a centralized power because those that control the hashing power control the consensus of it. So it's kind of like fixed, you know what I mean? I think Bitcoin will probably always be the largest cryptocurrency just because it's been established as that. And will it be the world reserve currency? Yeah, possibly, but I think the free market is what makes cryptocurrency so strong. If there was only one cryptocurrency, it wouldn't be so different than our monetary system today because one person can control the largest supply or the most mining power or whatever it is. Then it's not even a solution, but the free market is what provides people with freedom through cryptocurrency. If there was just one cryptocurrency, it wouldn't be too different from fiat, which is a good and bad thing because also there's an unlimited supply of cryptocurrency because you can just create it. Yes, there's an unlimited supply of Bitcoin, but there's unlimited supply of cryptocurrency, and that's why I also preach gold and silver, but I'm not going to get into that right now. And Vertcoin also has established a one-click miner. They want to make it easier for people to mine. And I think that's a great idea because mining sounds so complicated. I consider getting into mining maybe, I don't know, soon, but not right now. Just because it's, why not? You're just turning on computers and mining coin. That sounds, it's profitable. If it's profitable, it's no big deal just to run your computer to make money. So, you can't do much better than that. So and you get free, you get crypto from it. So, once that's accessible to everyone, it makes cryptocurrency, if anyone computer could just make money for just mining, it will make cryptocurrency more popular because people need, then it's not a gamble. You're just making money for your computing power and securing the network. So you're contributing to the community and getting a reward for it. And everyone kind of wins, sort of thing, because the traders and the buyers also have better security, things like that. And then you don't even have to speculate out with your own money. You can just earn money mining Vertcoin, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it takes a while. Yeah, it's slow. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. But dude, it's free. It's basically free money, just for securing a network. And that would be popular in third world countries, I think, sometimes too. If you could just mine, with computing and hashing power, I think that people that are countries that people are itching. That's why Steemit is so popular. And I think third world countries is because they're scraping for cash and their currencies are worthless, and there's so much, the whole monetary setup is just terrible and this and that. So, but anyways, so that's basically the news of Vertcoin. They got one-click miner in beta. That's basically, all the news I have. And, I want to talk about Bitcoin Cash and Vertcoin because I think a lot of what's going on in the space regarding Bitcoin, a lot of the consensus problems and things like that are from the centralized mining structure. But, alright, so that's done. I also want to talk about Steem a little bit, just because, I'm on Steem all the time, and, I really love the community. I wanted to propose, like, a reverse curve to Steemit, okay? So, we have a linear curve right now, and before we had, I think, an exponential curve. I need, like, a piece of paper so I can draw this on. Do my best. So, it was like this. One more like this. This is what Steemit originally had as a curve. Okay? By the way, this is a Shakespeare book. I hate Shakespeare. I used to like Shakespeare, but he's terrible. So, if you look there, that's what it was. Now it's linear. That's what it is now. Okay? That's what it is now. So this is helping the whales. This is helping everyone. But I think it should be like this. Because what this does is it gives an incentive for people to own Steem. If I could buy Steem and my upvote ranks my post higher and I can make more money blogging, then I'm more likely to buy Steem. Yes, the mining or the amount of Steem in, the inflation rate would go up with this model because more people would be voting and curating and things. But the thing is like, also, one thing to consider, I think a major problem with Steem at first was that they were paying the bloggers too much with the investors' money. But you have to understand the whole Steem power, like they locked their money in, and that changed to 13 weeks from 2 years. So I think that this like reversed curve or whatever, this curve would have been dangerous then. But this is what you need at this point. Because what it's going to do is it give the average user an incentive to buy Steem, and it would boost the price up. So then you'd have the whales being happy, and the minnows will be happy because they're making more money from blogging. Right now it's linear, so it's just kind of it's equal, but it's not equal. Because when things are linear, like this, whoever has the most money is going to have the largest payout on Steemit, which is even with the reverse that's true, right? But the reason it's weighed more towards the whales when it's linear is because society is weighed more towards the whales in consideration. Like, majority of people are poor, right? And you're trying to use Steemit as Steemit is a website for people with a lot of wealth, okay? Bitcoin is more of a tool with people with wealth because they have a lot of wealth to store. Cryptocurrency in general is a wealthy community, I'd say, at this point especially. But if you want new people to jump on board and give them incentive to buy Steem, you need to make Steem valuable. How do you do that? You make your upvote worth more to the minnows. So I think that's a great proposition, or whatever you want to call it. You know, so just I want to put that on the Steem community. I doubt it's going to get a lot of looks, but just thought I'd share, and you know, that's all I got. That's all I got to say today. You know, I mean, it's an interesting idea. I think we have to make Steem more valuable by giving bloggers an incentive. And then you could have celebrities even wanting to buy more Steem so that their posts are higher ranked and they get more, you know, curation rewards. And then celebrities are monetizing their content more because, you know, minnows votes are worth more. So I think it would be better for the community. I think people are too scared of letting the bloggers make money because they don't want the price of their Steem to go down. But and if anything, it would make the price of Steem go up. So, and plus, because this power down is 13 weeks instead of 2 years, it makes a big difference. I think a lot of, you know, it would have been a much healthier ecosystem if that 2-year thing ever existed. You know, a lot more liquidity. So, that's all I got to say. Have a good day. Peace.